Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change username in Plex. Whether you just created a new account or want to update your Plex identity, this quick tutorial will help you do it safely and correctly. First of all, launch open the Plex application on your device and log into your account. After you're signed into the homepage of Plex, go to the top right corner and tap on your name or your profile picture. Now, click on Profile. Once you open up your profile page, click the Edit Profile button. Under Edit Profile, click on your username option. Now, go ahead and erase your current name and write down the new one in the text box. After typing down a username for yourself, click on Save. If the username is available, you will be able to change the username right away. So that's how you easily change your username on Plex in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.